Now the PFI has become a very usual suspect as far as BJP governments are concerned, Shantanu Gupta, because if the PFI's name came up in the Delhi riots, in the Shaheen Bagh protests, and you believe that this is a Saudi-funded conspiracy to destabilize India, surely the PFI should have been banned by now, and that hasn't happened. If it's such a devious organization, why don't you take the most stringent action against them?
So Rahul, let me educate all your panelists on PFI and Mr. Rahmani also. PFI was banned for 5 years in Jharkhand and they did multiple appeals in court. Nothing happened. The ban retained. NIA, something as high as NIA, booming 17 cases against PFI. 17 cases against NIA in Kerala, in Kerala, not a BJP state, in Kerala, and the connections of PFI with a lot of people who joined ISIS from Kerala.
No, but one second. Here's what we know, Shantanu Gupta. Here's what we know, sir. One second. And I want to bring in Pawan Khera as well. No, one second. This happened yesterday. They were heading towards... one second. They were heading towards Hathras from Mathura, which is where Pawan Khera, they were arrested with apparently suspicious literature. We don't know what that suspicious literature is. One of them is a Kerala-based journalist. The Kerala Association of Journalists very upset with the fact that he's been picked up. But now, and we don't know, as I said, we don't run a courtroom, so I don't want to sit in judgment one way or the other. For all you know, they may be involved, but maybe they're not. We have to keep our eyes and ears open to both possibilities. But now the Yogi government, Pawan Khera, seems to suggest that the PFI is responsible and is part of some kind of an international conspiracy.
Rahul, I completely appreciate your stand in not holding a courtroom, and I really don't know whether PFI is responsible, not responsible. If the government has evidence, why don't they go ahead and ban it? The website, of course, is ludicrous. The kind of, today in the affidavit, what they had attached, don't wear goggles, don't wear ties, don't use oil-based sunscreens. These were the do's and don'ts in that website of, and run in the direction of where the blacks are running. So I don't know what had that got to do with Hathras. Maybe Mr. Yogi Adityanath would be able to educate us.
When you say it's an international conspiracy,
Pawanji, don't laugh at your threat. Don't laugh at your national threat. Website.
Let me finish.
Let Pawan Khera complete. I'm coming to you, Shantanu Gupta, in a moment. Let Pawan Khera complete. Shantanu, 1 second. Let Pawan complete. I'm coming to you.
Rahul, if they have evidence, if they had it all along, I don't know why is PFI not banned yet. Let them go and ban it. Nobody is advocating their cause in case they are found doing something wrong.
Okay, Shantanu Gupta, now the international conspiracy that you cite is based on a website that had been created, a website modeled on the Black Lives Matters protest movement. It's a website in English for a protest that you're trying to create in Western Uttar Pradesh, where everybody first speaks Hindi. And a lot of it talks about black protesters, so it's clearly lifted as a rather shoddy cut-paste job from the Black Lives Matters protest, and that is your international conspiracy which the Yogi government is so furious about?
So first of all, when you cut me short, let me complete myself. So PFI was banned for 5 years in Jharkhand.
No, this is again wrong.
They were never entertained.
So let him speak. Mr. Rahmani, let him speak. I can't have a debate like this. I will not allow this conversation to degenerate into a conversation in a banana republic. We will try and uphold as best as we can high standards of debating, conversation and analysis. I come to you, Mr. Rahmani. Let Shantanu Gupta complete.
Allow that person to speak.
Let Shantanu complete. Go on,
Rahul.
Go on, Shantanu.
Yeah, so in NIA is proving almost more than 17 cases against, and as soon as the watertight case is ready, I'm sure something like PFI should be banned. In UP in December, after the December anti-CA riots, which emerged in 14 cities of UP and 17 non-prohibited bullets when we shot by the rioters, almost 25 PFI activists were arrested. So don't call it a bogey. And this website, a lot of people, and this website is just the only thing. UP police seems to have a lot of other information which they will reveal when they want to reveal. So this website is just came in the public domain, which is almost a tutorial. And I'm very surprised that Pawan Khera ji is laughing at something which is giving a national threat. They did that for 10 years. For them, national threat was a laugh, a joke, and he's doing it now on your channel.
I want to go
Don't you play these petty games with me, Shantanu Gupta. I know everything about the way Mr. Modi keeps hiding behind Dawood Ibrahim sometimes.
Don't
No,
criticize.
stop it.
I know
Stop it.
you're
Enough.
high and mighty.
Don't you interrupt. Don't you interrupt. Don't you interrupt. ये मुझे मत धमकाइए. ये मुझे इस तरह के छोटे गेम्स मेरे को भी आते हैं और इससे बड़े आते हैं, इसलिए मुझे मत धमकाइए.